I love how they created the sea turtle on it, because sea turtle is such a representative animal for Xiaoliuqiu, right? And the best way to get close to it, to observe it, is to get in the water, free dive, or scuba diving, or whatever.
Just free dive.
Just free dive.
Not snorkeling, not scuba, just free dive.
Hold your breath.
Yeah. What gear to prepare? How do I, if I want to go see sea turtles?
Get something like
Oh, wow, you prepared.
this.
Ooh.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh,
but I don't. This is more for snorkeling.
Right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not
You
quite
just,
for free
you
diving.
just said no snorkeling.
We call this Teletubbies.
Teletubbies.
That's a good name.
Yeah.
It's for children.
Is that you?
For kids.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
That's him.
Yeah.
You're kind of wearing a different thing there.
I think this is good for people who are afraid of the water.
Yes.
If it gives them a sense of
Claustrophobia.
of safety. But you can't free dive in this because the pressure will
Right. It'll crush your
squeeze
face.
on your face. Yeah.
But that is for tourists, or if you're
Snorkeling.
not familiar with the sea, you
Okay.
can
Yeah.
actually put this on because it'll keep your face dry.
Yeah.
You can wear the makeup, right?
Yes,
Go snorkeling.
but don't, because the makeup might pollute
Yes.
the sea.
Yeah.
So no makeup, just enjoy the sea, enjoy the sun, get tanned. This is
Yeah.
what you're on the island for, huh?
Yeah.
And in order to get this awesome photo shoot, you need to,
Take a free dive course for me.
and second, go find some scuba divers.
Yes.
We'll create the bubbles for you.
It's the thing I love most about scuba divers is they give me the bubbles to take nice photos.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Talking about sea turtles, representative animal for Xiaoliuqiu.
Absolutely.
I heard, 100% you'll see them if you go on the island.
99%.
99.9.
Yeah.
Who's seen sea turtles in Xiaoliuqiu?
Yes. Everyone.
Yeah.
100%.
Yes, that was a question for you.
I've been there.
Actually, I have a funny story. When I went to Xiaoliuqiu for the first time, my friend told me that there are a lot of sea turtles. So I was like, oh, come on, it should be very hard to see sea turtles, especially in Taiwan. Like, the island looks so developed. So I was like, no way you can see that. So I put the goggles on, I entered the water, and I was like, I run out screaming. I was like, I saw a sea turtle. I was so scared because it was so huge. I only seen it on the pictures.
Yes.
I was like, I was really, really scared because it was like kind of very near me. And I didn't know what to do. So I was like, oh my God. And then I went in water again. I had like goosebumps and everything. I was like, oh my God. I'm like seeing sea turtles right in front of me. It was so beautiful, like swimming there gorgeously. Oh my God.
And they really chill. They just lie
Yeah.
there,
They're just like
right?
eating the
they
whole
don't
time.
mind you. They're just like, all right,
Yeah.
go away.
Excuse me,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
eating.
But you cannot touch them.
Yeah.
If you touch them, you get shouted at by the
Yeah.
coach.
Fine.
Yeah.
Normally the coaches are there. Like,
Sans one.
Yeah.
Sans one.
300,000 NT
300,000.
fine.
Yes, if you
Yeah.
touch
It's a huge
them.
fine.
So please keep your hands to yourself
Yeah.
and take photos, leave bubbles, or don't leave bubbles. Free divers.
Bubbles are allowed.
When I went scuba diving in Xiaoliuqiu for the first time, I was like so busy just trying to figure out how will I survive underwater, because it was my first time and I was kind of scared with all the equipment.
Wow.
And then like the coach was like tapping on my shoulder and he's like, oh look, there's a sea turtle. And I was like, wow, it's awesome. I was like,
Did
really
you
amazed
scream
by it.
underwater?
Of course not. Like, how can I?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. So
Oh, wow.
My friend, she was like, she didn't pay attention to our coach. She just paid attention to all the sea turtles.
I remember the highest record of turtles that were counted in one dive was around like 15 or 18.
Oh, wow.
18.
Yes, we were pretty lucky.
Wow.
We were shooting. Ooh.
What's that?
Where's that?
We have. Oh, these are this is Xiaoliuqiu.
Oh, actually, in last year, I think it's 2021, they have a research, and they observed that have like more than 800 sea turtle around of the Xiaoliuqiu
my
this island.
God.
So I think
Lucky
that's
island.
Yeah, so I think that is the numbers of it.
Okay,
The
so
numbers
Yeah.
of the turtles.
So the turtles kind of like hang out in one area. Is that
Yes.
what that
Yeah.
means? Okay. Wow.
So it's pretty cool.
That's a check-in place for
Yeah.
all the tourists.
Yeah, in Xiaoliuqiu, when you walk on the beach and you see people standing there grouping somehow, it
Yeah.
means there's a sea turtle. Yeah, they're like all taking pictures, videos.
So they're like local celebrities.
Yeah.
They
You gotta
are
remember
local.
five rules when you see a sea turtle.
Yes.
Don't feed them. Don't touch them.
Yep.
Give them 5 meters distance. Don't swim above them
Okay.
in case they want to come for air. And wear reef safe sunscreen.
Okay.
Or none at all.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I prefer none at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just wear the clothes, the covers.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
right,
yeah.
right.
The wetsuit.
Wear your wetsuits.
Right.
Oh, so this is a
God, I
sea.
love the reef there.
Perfect visibility.
Yes.
It's so
Yes.
crazy.
It's incredible, like how far you can see in that water.
Sometimes up to 30 meters.
Hey, you can spot the sea turtles. There,
Right.
1, 2, 3,
There are a
4,
lot of
5,
them.
6, 7, 8, 9,
There are a lot.
10.
This is like a Where's Waldo kind of
Yeah.
video.
It is. Do you know there are a couple of underwater stars, which are sea
Sea turtles?
Yes.
What are they called?
They're called
Oh, there's a Hall of Fame.
yes, 吃货. 小破洞. 小破洞 is because the shell,
Yeah.
I think, was hit by
A
maybe
rudder?
a boat
Motor?
or
Okay.
something,
Yeah.
and it
So
had
he's got a little tear.
yes.
Oh, is this
Well, a
called?
big chunk taken out.
小破洞.
小破洞.
Oh.
But he still loves people, so he comes out the most.
I recognize her. It's
This
Jenny
was-
Turtle.
this was Jenny?
I think this is Jenny.
Jenny.
My
Okay.
twins.
Oh,
Named
I
after
recognize
you.
her. And actually, I met her about like 3 times in Xiaoliuqiu.
Really?
In Jenny Turtle.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do
you
you
guys
have a
exchange Instagram accounts? What's your Instagram handle?
Oh, I take a
What's
photo.
hers?